Shreya Ghoshal trolled for singing Chikni Chameli on a reality show 15 days after calling the song an embarrassment. Shreya Ghoshal has stirred controversy as she recently acknowledged that she is embarrassed by the raunchy dance song Chikni Chameli from the movie Agnipath. She shared in an interview that she didn't want to be a part of that kind of music industry history. According to her, there is a very thin line between being seductive and sexual and just being out there objectifying oneself. She said during a chat with a YouTuber, "I have a handful of songs which could be borderline raunchy, like Chikni Chameli. There is a fine line between being sensuous, sexy, or being out there, making yourself objectified, or women in general. Why am I a little conscious about it now? It's because I see young girls sing these songs without understanding the lyrics." She is also very particular about the lyrics and makes sure they are well written before she agrees to sing. She added, "I have been conscious about that, and even if I am doing it, it is not wrong to be celebrating, happily talking about how sexy I am or how sensuous I am, but don't write it in such a way. Maybe if a woman were writing it, she would have written it in a very gracious manner. It's just a matter of perspective. In our society, especially in India, it is essential to set some benchmark because music and films have a huge impact on our lives." The episode of the interview was released on 25th February, just a week after an episode of Indian Idol 15 in which Shreya Ghoshal was seen performing Chikni Chameli. The singer appears as a judge on the reality show. A Reddit page shared the video of her singing the song and called out her hypocrisy. A user wrote, "Shreya Ghoshal singing the most embarrassing song of her career 7 days back in a reality show. I mean, if she thinks that whatever she do is impressionable and small children will watch this and sing the suggestive lyrics, then she should totally avoid singing. Where is the morality when it comes to use the same song that you are embarrassed for commercial gains?" Another user wrote, "If she is so embarrassed by the song and its impact on kids, why is she singing it on a show where kids can watch it? It's a relevant question." Netizens claimed that Shreya Ghoshal said big words about morality but failed to practice it when it came to commercial gains. However, some netizens are convinced that Katrina Kaif's fans have taken offense to Shreya's statements and are trying to malign her image. Katrina, who appeared in the video of the song Chikni Chameli, has not issued any statement yet.